How did people cure a cough before modern medicine existed? In ancient Egypt, doctors believed bad spirits caused your chest cold. The cure was a priest lighting a bowl of dried animal dung on fire and forcing you to violently inhale the thick smoke until the demon was choked out. In medieval Europe, doctors believed you could transfer your sickness to a living creature. The cure was opening your mouth and letting a live slimy frog sit on your tongue until it absorbed the cough. In the late 1800s, the greatest medical breakthrough for a chest cold was literal heroin. Pharmacists legally sold over-the-counter glass bottles of glowing green heroin mixed with chloroform. You took one spoonful, your cough disappeared instantly, and you woke up 3 days later fully addicted to narcotics. Today, you take a tiny sip of cherry-flavored nighttime syrup, wrap yourself in a heated blanket, and still text your boss that you might not survive the night, which leaves you wondering,